So you've decided you'd like to try to homeschool your child or your children. I know it can seem a little overwhelming in the beginning because there are a lot of decisions that are needing to be made and resources to find as you're learning how to transition maybe from the public school system into educating your child at home. But rest assured, you do not have to have everything in perfect order to begin to do this. And I decided to create this course because I've been learning in my own homeschooling journey from beginning educating my child in kindergarten, and she's now in the third grade. And it has definitely been a journey. So I wanted to create the class to help guide you to the right questions to ask yourself as you are getting started, and also put your mind at ease and take the pressure off in thinking that everything needs to be perfect, because it doesn't. And you're going to learn as you go, just as I have been learning as I go and continue to learn on a daily basis. Each child has a different learning style. And so not only will you be learning to teach your child and to help them to become a lifelong learner, you will grow in your ability as a teacher, and you will learn how your particular child or each of your children, how they learn best. And so that's been a big part of it for me, is just kind of learning how my daughter learns best. Some days are more challenging than others, and it is most definitely rewarding for both the parent and the child as time goes on. And it's been wonderful having this time to get to know my daughter as her own individual person, and to instill in her a lifelong love of learning, because this will serve her in every area of her life as she grows older.